Verification confirms the core diameter and cladding integrity. This focused laser beam test demonstrates the zero signal scattering critical for the Su-27 avionics.
The AGV for the Su-27 line is on schedule.
Confirmed. Route sequence Alpha 9er is clear.
Slowly bring it down 5 degrees to the right. Watch the alignment markers.
Confirmed. Moving to position.
The camera pans slowly across the interior of the partially wired Su-27 Avionics Bay, containing about 1/3 of the harness volume.
The technician uses the heating tool to shrink the heavy-duty sleeve, providing essential strain relief for the Su-27's complex wiring harness.
Make sure the separation is maintained around junction 7.
Confirmed. The clamps are secured.
Adherence to spatial separation is critical for EMC integrity. Here, the technician verifies the
Check the continuity on harness 42B.
Confirmed. Sector 3 is fully secured.
We are clear for the power bus connection.
Power distribution is stable across all primary harnesses. Confirmed. No anomalies detected on the graphical interface.
The shielding is performing nominally.
Grounding straps are secure.
Process A is approved.
The panels are clear for surface treatment. Process B confirmed.
Acknowledged. Moving to the next phase.
Check the alignment on panel 3.
Looks good. Confirmed on the tablet.
Is that the anti-static film for the Su-27 panels?
Yes, confirmed on the checklist. Packaging sequence initiated.
Get those straps tight, we can't have any shifting.
Ratcheted down, solid as a rock.
Pallet 78B is secure. Roger that. Initiating final lock sequence.
Double check the routing on this harness before we seat the panel.
Already verified against the 79R schematic.
Process B involves carefully opening the avionics container to reveal the integrated electromagnetic shielding panel. The low noise reading here confirms the high effectiveness of the integrated electromagnetic shielding panel.
Data stream is stable. The shielding is performing perfectly.
Confirmed. The link is secure. Transmitting the package now. In this vast command center, signal integrity is paramount. The integrated electromagnetic shielding.
Comms check successful. Audio is perfectly clear, no interference detected.
The spectrum analysis looks clean.
Emissions are well below the threshold.
The shielding is fully effective.
As you can see, the electromagnetic shielding is performing flawlessly under load.
Absolutely, the data confirms sustainable quality.
The EMI shielding technology here ensures signal integrity. This integrated panel's reliability is paramount for the entire avionics bay.